This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KEC 43, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Anchorage, Alaska, on a frequency of 162.550 FM. For tonight, mostly cloudy and cold. Lows around 30 degrees below zero. North winds 46 miles per hour or less. The following is a summary of warnings, watches, and advisories in effect. And
A blizzard warning is now in effect for the Matanuska Valley, the Upper Susitna Valley, Broad Pass, and surrounding higher terrain. The blizzard warning is in effect until 6 a.m. Alaskan Standard Time Tuesday. A blizzard watch remains in effect for Anchorage, the Kenai Peninsula, and the Copper River Basin. Snow will increase rapidly this afternoon and evening as a strong Arctic front moves southward across south-central Alaska. North winds of 40 to 60 miles an hour with higher gusts will produce widespread travel may become